Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura. If you're new, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe so you can keep up with all the panning, makeup videos, makeup reviews, tutorials, uh, and more. So yeah, if you like this type of videos, please subscribe. But yeah, let's jump into the video. So today I'm gonna do demo on the Beauty Blender primer, which is the Opal Serum primer, and their foundation. It's the bouncy liquid with blonde wear foundation, and you pump it out here. I wouldn't recommend it to use it on here because this part gets really messy and I personally don't like it, and I like you can like close so it doesn't go down. So if you travel, it's in the safe. Now I'm in shade 1.10 N, and why I picked this shade, which is not a match for me, which you will see in the demo. It's really funny. You will see. It looks right now fine, and like you see, it doesn't match my neck that much. Like I need to bronze up and do things. I feel like the reason is because I have yellow undertones, and the one they had with yellow undertones was too dark. I had to choose two shades and mix them, but already those two products were like together 76 euros, so I'm not buying another foundation. And I do actually have one yellow undertone foundation that's a little bit too dark for me, so I can mix it in with this. But for this video I did apply only this foundation so you guys can see the coverage. It has very long wearing coverage. uh, it is a more heavier foundation compared to some other, like La Mer feels lighter, and I feel like throughout the day you do see it does wanna go cakey around here, this area a little bit. But if I blend it out with like a damp beauty blender, it looks as new. Like I don't lose coverage, but it does something. And yeah, um, I mean, I wouldn't repurchase this foundation for sure because I love some other foundations in my collection more. I love the Unique Spray foundation. I love my La Mer foundation. Now I have been really into the Unique Stick foundation. I can find my match there, which is good. Like it's never like 100% perfect as I would mix a perfect match for me, but it's not as crazy as this one would be. Anyway, if you guys want to see the demo part, keep on watching all the information and the full review. I feel like when I write it down and put it on, like, I want to say for paper, but on my blog I write it down, I really like can go more depth and I have time to think about it and so on. If you want to see more in-depth review on these babies here, then go check out my blog, which is beautywithlala.com, and I also leave it down below so you can check it out. And yeah, let's see the demo part now. Hey guys, so let's do the demo part of this video, and I'm gonna start out with the primer from the Beauty Blender. It's the Opal Essence, and this gives like a really nice sheen to the skin, and yeah, I really do enjoy this primer. Already did my brows and my eyes, as you guys can see. I didn't want to be completely naked. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I feel like if I don't have my brows on, I look weird. So lately I have been really into dewy skin, and I feel like this primer helps me have this nice, like, kind of sheen to my skin. I zoomed a little bit out so you guys can see. I will apply this foundation with a beauty blender, And here is the foundation. I'm in shade 110N, and this is not a really good shade for me in my opinion. The shade 1 darker was perfect for me, but well, the undertones were perfect, but the shade itself was too dark, and that happens all the time. If you have like yellow undertones, you always have like a really hard time uh, getting your like perfect match, I feel. So let's work on this side of the face and see how this blends. I have been using it more than once. It's not my first time. But you see, it makes me white. I mean, I can mix it in with something else to make it like darker, but on its own makes me look like a ghost, even more than I am. But it does give a nice coverage. Don't ever forget your eyebrows. Let's bring this. Ta-da! So you see, it's like a mask. I really hate when brands don't make like light enough foundation for the yellow undertones for pale people. Like the only company that really has a shade for me that like actually matches me is MAC Cosmetics. And also the La Mer one looks okay on me, but I always have to like mix and match and hustle for the shade, and it's just the undertones are the main thing. Like just make one shade for like that fits me. This is supposed to be with neutral undertones. Like if I apply it all over my face and I apply the powders and everything, it it works fine. Like I mean, I will not look like weird. I promise. I look so weird right now. I have jam here. I had breakfast. I ate pancakes. And I did look in my mirror, but I kind of missed that. So this, oh my god, if I look my neck, I look like so weird. But yeah, this is basically how this foundation looks on me. Yeah, I look weird, I know. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video to see me, my neck and my face do not match. And yeah, I hope you catch my video next time, and if you haven't, please do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.